Introducing the Grinder Dual X bike from Number One Fitness. This high quality steel frame bike provides all the benefits of a cycling workout while also allowing you to have an upper body workout at the same time. The pedals and toe straps are designed to keep your feet in place and increase stability while you exercise. The easy to use console keeps you informed on your speed, time, distance, revolutions per minute and calories burned. With a wind-resistant ergometer flywheel, it provides a smoother, more comfortable ride while you exercise. The ergonomic design engages the muscles in your arms and upper body for a true full body workout, allowing you to receive the benefits of both cardio and strength training with one piece of equipment. The Grinder Dual X bike delivers results and assists in your fitness goals. Get yours today from Number One Fitness.